So, before starting, let me tell you the background of the story. It was basically market analysis for which I started building this app. So, while building, there were lot of things coming into my mind, which was basically ideas as a investor trader, what all things it should have, what all should it cover, comparing analysis on actual basis like technical and fundamental basis. It covered everything. What it lacked many things, but I basically overcame that lackness and somehow put all my efforts. What you see now is the app. It was basically named Global Market Intelligence, and it covered daily news, market analysis, equity, and strategic intelligence, everything. You name it, you have it. It covered land masses, rates. Land masses means real estate, property rate, global indices, ETFs, metals, crypto, every perspective of it. How I am basically mm, interpreting my vision into reality was this app. I wanted to cover everything. It also covered mutual funds, bonds, crypto, commodities as well. Whatever you want to add, I am showing you gold on international rate basis, bonds, mutual fund, everything, domestic market as well as global. Now coming to AI intelligence, it would basically help you out where to invest, everything. So it covered that perspective. Intelligence feed would be the next one, and you would get all the information. It is insightful internal news as well, which is not on web so easily. So it covered that as well. Whale, institutional investment protocols, whatever the news is coming, central banks, internal news, bull and bear radar, nationwide, statewide news is live feeds. It covers everything. Live intelligence, it is internal and high impactful news which is about to come, but it captures the data and give it to you through various sources. Okay, now future tech, what is upcoming in the market, what will be the new future. It shows the graphs as well, the space, logistics, and technical and fundamental PE ratio as well, considering the chart study, where's the zone to buy and sell, macro risk, what kind of risk is going on, comparing to global impact, peer comparison, what are the competitors. So it covered everything. So this was it, and next is future tech. And now you see the pop-up. The pop-up shows the critical news which is not there, and it literally showed me one day before the sign of India Russia crude oil agreement. Literally, I don't know from where it took the data, and it covered, and it was very insightful. So then going to settings, you can add a lot more asset classes. What will be the next future of asset class, that also you can add it and name it. You have indexes, everything, you name it, you have it. So AI was optional, you can on it, off it. Okay, domestic as per which country you belong, currency as well, region, risk parameters, connectivity, Wi-Fi or mobile data always on or off, privacy, it will allow you to create some private thing, system updates and subscription. This was a thing which I thought to be launched but couldn't make it, since there was a basically financial constraint as well as time constraint. This is my idea, hopefully you like it. This was my dream too. Basically the vision started with the hope that it helps me out to invest more precisely and accurately and predict market, while speculation was long gone away when I added is my technical analysis and fundamental one. So with news, let me add up with news. Each and every asset class which you choose will get a news. What is happening in that asset class, particularly asset class and subcategory in that asset class, let's say equity, and you go for some kind of share, you will get that news as well. So that was my dream, and that was my vision and dream, which I made into reality, but couldn't launch it due to financial constraint and time, since I wanted it to be independent one. So I wish to learn software APIs and various other things, Python, but somehow I don't have time to learn from funda basis and basically pull out from Replit. I'm not basically downgrading Replit. Replit is good one. You can buy premium version. I bought premium version, then I made this app which you saw. And what it restricts is you can only watch it through link and for limited time frame. I My vision was to take that APIs or whatever you call technical people, take it out from there, pull it out and make it into reality for like phone users, laptop users. So I talked to many software guys. They said you need a server, lot of internet and lot of things, and first and foremost was regulation guidelines which I need to follow of SEBI, which is biggest hurdle. You can't make it. And other one was uh, sentiments, because you see that even if I provide such kind of wonderful app, people will misuse it, and the misuse version of it I is like SEBI would basically send me to bar, basically send me behind bars, because the regulation says that you cannot basically emphasize someone to buy this that uh, asset class. It will hinder the natural flow of asset class, as well as that such kind of activity attracts some kind of negative thing. And according to SEBI, it benefits me somehow, although there is no such kind of thought process or behind idea or API running on it. But I know many people will say that it helps you out to make money. No, what would be my version of getting out of money from this app would be giving it only to paid users. That was my vision. After creating and knowing that I need a lot of money, then I thought to add up the money constraint. Otherwise, it was first and foremost for myself, for creating wealth for myself, nobody else, to be very honest. But I later on thought, why to make it for self only? Let's make it for everyone, make it available for everyone, so that everyone can make out money from market. But seeing that I need a lot of x amount of money, so I thought let's do it with subscription add-on thing. So I made an API uh, so that they could basically pay me, then they get access of it. Not full access. Full access would be only to developer, and in case they want uh, little more access, I would say, rather. Then there is another premium version, premium they have to pay. So that was the sole idea. So you saw everything which it had. So now why I came back to this video which I recorded after developing, after few months, when I saw one of the person person's profile while binging on Insta, Shreya Gupta 11. She developed similar app, but little more finer, but it has categories which are lesser. Kudos to her. I am not jealous. I am not saying uh, it's copy. No, not at all. She has done her job with lot of vision, lot of idea. I won't demean it. I love it. I am happy for her, and I'm literally happy because somebody did it, which it was my vision idea, but couldn't launch it thanks to time, money constraint. She did it, and her app is, I think, on way and developed. So for that purpose, I wanted to share my idea as well. It's not anywhere that I am thinking of her as a competition. No, nowhere. It is just like building up that space, making it much more mature for people, that such space is available through AI. So develop such thing so that it makes lot more easier to make money out of share market or these kind of asset class, which is still open for many users. So you can think of and build such app. I am giving you freedom to take advantage of this video, although I don't know whether I should basically launch it through any one of your people's help peeps helps. So just comment me if you like it. Thank you.